6. The spirit of the valley is eternal. As the hidden creator, nature is the primal mother, the portal uniting heaven and earth. The Tao is limitless, unborn, eternal, a fount of boundless expression and infinite form. That which we see, we don't see. That which exists passes through forms of continuous change. The sage knows that human senses follow shadows in search of the face of the Absolute, chasing echoes across the valley in search of the voice of the Tao, seeking permanence in the transient.